India is very important to us, both from our employees. It's the largest concentration of employees that we have anywhere in the world, mostly because we do a lot of development work and other things here, but also our sales teams and application engineers and so forth. But it's also a rapidly growing market for us. It's across the board, good growth in India, but one of the fastest growing markets overall for us is aerospace and defense and space. And that seems to be an area growing here as well. And we're well positioned to do a lot of work here in India. So we're quite excited about what's happening here.
Realize Live Asia Pacific is come to Bengaluru for the second time. Again, we have almost 60% more customers than last year. I think it's important for our customers to understand what are the advancements that are happening with our solution set, and more importantly, how do they use these advancements to drive better outcomes.
Realize Live for the second time, and I'll tell you already we're going to do it again next year, is because the importance of India to our business. India, like I've said earlier, is one of our fastest growing countries we have globally, and we expect that growth to actually accelerate with AI, because companies are investing more and more. The global companies are investing more in India, and we're seeing a huge startup culture here in India.
For the second time, Siemens APAC event, Realize Live is back at Bangalore. And this time, we are having conversation around artificial intelligence, but a realistic way of implementing it in the manufacturing sector.